Welcome. Today we're covering, will AI steal your business? An entrepreneur's honest answer. Every entrepreneur I know is asking the same question behind closed doors. Is AI coming for my business? I've spent the last 3 years helping businesses across Southeast Asia adopt AI. And I'm going to give you the most brutally honest answer I can. No hype, no fear-mongering. Just what's actually happening on the ground. Here's the truth most consultants won't tell you. AI isn't stealing businesses. But it is making a very clear dividing line between businesses that will thrive in the next decade and those that will quietly disappear. In this video, I break down the 3 types of businesses that are genuinely at risk from AI disruption and why it's not who you think. Real examples from Myanmar and Southeast Asia of entrepreneurs who turned AI from a threat into their biggest competitive advantage. If you found this valuable, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly AI breakdowns. See you next week.